moments later.
Today is your day. Ah, sige na. Lublob na kayo.
I think that's spit. Don't mind that. It's so deep. What the?
Do you know what is the purpose this one, Kaisar? For fishing. Kaisar, this is for fishing. Lambat. Ah, see? Ay, rara. Eh, ah.
Kaisar.
Very, okay? Alambat susalik. Ah. The water is so clean, yeah? See? The water is so clean.
What app are you guys recording?
Ang dami na kuhang isda. Lambat lang ang ginamit. Yeah,
Instagram or YouTube?
and the YouTube. Ayan ang isda na nakuha nila sa lambat. Lambat, ito yung lambat. Sige na, Kaisa, lublob ka na, nak.
Masakit manutok lagi.
Ha? Manutok siya mata, manutok mo. Nagasang.
Ooh, this is so scary.
Doon na, medyo malalim. Kaisa.
Come on. Wait. Go, sit.
Yeah. Convince your cousin, Kobe. Kaisa, you're one, need to dry easily, quickly.
So you're 10 years old. You can do it. And I'm 8 years old.
Yeah, convince Kobe.
Ow. Ow.
Oh, see?
See?
Mag-ano ka? Mag-soaking. Like that. Okay?
But
Ay, Tito Ison, your dad?
wait, where's your son?
He's not smoking?
Yes.
Kalamansi sige na.
Dad. At work. He's on the ship, on the Titanic. Are you serious? I didn't get to see him.
Namala. Now you can swim now, Kaiser. Sige na, nako. This is your day. Today is your day. Come on. Diba? Para gagaling na yan. Matutuyo na.
Come on, Kaiser, you can do it. Just endure the pain because it will heal. It's worth it to do that
You listen to your lovely cousin, Kaiser.
because it will heal. You're putting thing back, right? Yeah.
You want your putting thing back?
You need to sit in salt water because it will heal. Salt water is medicine. Because when a zombie comes to salt water, they will be a human.
See, you know how to speak like that, Kobe. Once you have circumcised, don't copy Kaiser, okay? Maybe you're like that also.
I don't know.
Come on. Kaiser, dito lang. Kobe, wag dyan. Ano yan, malalim. Dito lang. You follow Mama Mitch.
Very deep here. Come on, Kaiser. You can do it.
Dami isda, oh. Gilala.
Oh, it's so cold. So cold here.
morning glaze, but the sunlight hits in so many ways. Grab my shades and hit the streets, no plan, chasing vibes like seashells in the sand. Radio hums a tune I can't name. Crooked smiles, crashing waves, no shame. Flip my phone, toss it in my bag. Today's for us, no time to lag.